Hi again. So today I'm going to review how to import a range formula. It's more complex, um, but I'm sure once you get the hang of it, it will be very useful. So bear with me because it is going to be worth it. So when I would use this type of formula is if I want to link between two different spreadsheets. Let's say I want to share some information with somebody, but I don't want them to see the original doc, or maybe I have two files that I'm working on that contain different information, and I want to pull some of the information from one file to the other file. So there's a lot of uses for it. I'm sure you'll find your own use cases. And the example here I'm going to show is, let's say I have, my rent, my water expenses, electricity, and so on. This is sensitive information, so I don't want to share this with someone, but maybe I want to share the percentage of my total cost with someone so that they could give me an advice. Oh, maybe I could reduce on my rent, um, or my medical expenses, they're too high, and so on. So how do we do that? So of course we open a new spreadsheet that we want to share with the other person, and we do import range. And here it's asking us for the URL of the spreadsheet that we want to link to. So I would copy from here and paste and close parentheses. And now let's add a comma. And here we need to add the name of the tab. So here my tab is called import range. Sorry. Here, it's called import range that I want to link to. So let's copy that and then exclamation point and the range that we want to connect to. I didn't mean to close parentheses yet. 100. So here I'm just writing a general range, and we will fix it. Now you could see that it gives me a ref error, and what it means basically, and this is actually a good mark because you can validate and make sure that you're actually sharing the information that you want with whoever you want. So Google is asking for permission to allow access, and this means that if anyone duplicates a file or tries to copy it, they won't have the ability to. Since I'm the owner, then of course it lets me share the file. Now you could see that the person you'll be sharing this with will only see text or the final number. They won't see the actual formulas that we have here. You could see here, we could see the function itself. So they won't be able to see that. And as I said before, I want to share only this part. So I'll go back to my function and change the range. So here we wanted to go up to column B. You could see it updates. And also we could start, we don't need the title, right? We could start in row 3. Great. So they will see this, they will be able to give me the advice that I want. And also what is more important, that if I go here and I change one of my expenses, the number, you could see that it will change automatically for them as well. So we don't need to go between two sheets and check and copy paste. We just do it in one place and it will automatically pull with import range to the other sheet that we are working on or want to share with someone. Great, so that was import range. Let me know if you have any questions about it and if you find it useful. Thank you.